The Nobel Prize in Physics this year was given out to groups of scientists who figured out that the universe, quote, isn't real experimentally, and I'm going to provide a simple example so that anybody, regardless of their physics background, can understand what is going on here. Suppose I have two people who are twins. Now, these two people, being twins, are linked together, and they're linked via twin telepathy, which isn't actually a thing, but for the sake of actually providing an example, just go with me and believe that this is a thing for real. And they're able to communicate with each other instantly and know what each other are thinking via this telepathic power or whatever. Now, these two twins each can have a favorite color. Their favorite color is either red or blue. But since they don't want to be linked together like completely, they want to be their own person, whichever twin is red, the other one is going to be blue, and they must be opposites with each other. Now, suppose that these two twins live very far apart, like twin 1 is inside of the USA and twin 2 is inside of Croatia, for example. And twin inside of the USA decides that their favorite color is going to be red. Now, you would expect, and this is what Einstein expected, that the message would have to take time to send to the twin in Croatia to know that twin 1 chose red, so twin 2 is going to have to choose blue. However, this is not the case. Twin 2, through their little twin telepathy fake powers, is going to know that they are immediately going to be the blue twin. There is no time, which is confusing because we thought messages would have to take the speed of light to travel. However, these two twins instantaneously know which one is red and which one is blue as soon as one of them decides. This was the first part of the discovery, which means that the universe is not local. So even though they're very, very far apart, the message doesn't take any time to send, and it can send instantaneously. This is actually kind of crazy. Now you might be thinking, yeah, well, Joe, obviously one of them just knew that their favorite color is red, and then by the extension, the other one knew that their favorite color is blue. Just supposedly someone just asked them and found out. It's not like the message sent instantaneously. It was just a quality of them. But that is actually the second part, that the universe, quote, is not real. By real, it means that there actually is not a favorite color assigned to this twin until they have to choose their favorite color. So suppose that this twin just lived their life in a cabin in the middle of the woods somewhere and they never interacted with anybody ever. Well, they would never actually need a favorite color. Therefore, they wouldn't have one. They wouldn't be the red twin because they have no need to be the red twin. It's only until either someone asks them, what's your favorite color? Or they have to go to maybe like a store and pick out a paint color and they have to interact with choosing a color. Then they become the red twin and the other twin is instantaneously assigned to be the blue twin. If they have no need to be the red twin, then they will never decide on a color. That is the crazy part, that the universe is not real. It's not like you could just say like, oh yeah, this twin is either the red twin or the blue twin. We just don't know it. No, this twin is neither the red twin nor the blue twin until they have the need to be assigned to be the red twin or the blue twin. A big fucking asterisk on this, however, is that this only applies at the quantum scale. So don't go around applying this to like your everyday life or saying like, you know, things just aren't decided until they're decided. This only applies at the quantum scale. All your particles in your body are interacting with each other, so they actually have to make a decision. In case you're wondering, like, why should you care? Maybe you already knew this. Well, now it's just been experimentally verified and the universe is fucking weird and you're on a science and math page. So obviously I'm going to care and I think this is cool. The universe is freaking weird and you should find it interesting. To translate this example into the science example, the twins are quantum particles like electrons, photons, whatever. The telepathy, which again, twin telepathy is not real, is quantum entanglement. And then the red, blue, whatever is the spin direction, so up or down.